In this tutorial, two related panel options will be explored: transition and scaling. With this artwork, I will drag out a single offset marker on this open path. As there are no markers at either end of the path, the repeating selected profile forms a curved transition from 0 offset at the ends to the maximum offset in the middle. After dragging one of the delimiters inwards so it's no longer at the end, it's a little easier to see what happens if I enable the transition option. Now, the change in offset tapers smoothly to meet the underlying path. Increasing the transition value in the panel ensures that the taper is more pronounced. I will toggle the transition off once more. Looking at the preview of the reprofile, what is clear is that the spacing between each profile instance is equal, but the height is continuously changing from 0 at the ends to maximum height by the offset marker in the middle. That is also leading to an increasing distortion of each profile. By enabling the scaling option, each profile instance is now automatically scaled and spacing between each profile is adjusted so that they appear to have the same aspect ratio. If you want to tweak the aspect ratio of each profile, you can either change the repeat value or increase the minimum scaling factor up to 50%. Each setting has an effect on the aspect ratio, so it's advised you work on one factor at a time when perfecting the look you're after. It's possible to use both the transition and scaling controls in combination, but neither can be defined as part of the profile's default value set.